Here I am, the clarinet. I have one thing to say. We have now got 4 days to Earth Day. Yes, Earth Day is 4 days away. That's one what I will have to say. If you remember the Lorax, if you know what I mean, this one's gone. Thank you for being green. Here goes. I'm the Lorax. I speak with the trees. Thank you for being green. Thank you for thinking and about helping the earth. You care about the trees. The air. And the water. You care about animals close to home and far away. You save energy by walking or biking when you can. You recycle. You clean out when others litter. You grow things. Because you are green, our future looks brighter. Thank you. Unless someone like you cares a whole awful lot, nothing's going to get better. It's not the end. Well, that was the end of this early book. I hope like that does. Not only you saw once, you also see me, that kind of does what I had to say, and that is Happy Earth Day!